Dr. Berg often explains the science behind fasting, but today we're adding something rare and powerful. For every stage of a 5-day fast, you'll hear both the modern science and the timeless natural remedies passed down from Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, peace be upon him, remedies that are still being validated by today's research. This is a fusion of wisdom and science your health has been waiting for. Day 1, glycogen depletion and insulin drop. Dr. Berg's insight. On day 1, your body uses up glycogen, stored sugar in your liver and muscles, and releases excess water, often dropping 1 to 3 pounds. Insulin levels fall, switching your body from sugar burning to fat burning. Wisdom of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq. Peace be upon him, he recommended breaking the initial hunger with fresh dates and warm water, a gentle way to give the body natural sugars without spiking insulin. Science agrees. Dates are rich in natural glucose and minerals, supporting hydration and energy while keeping insulin response stable. Day 2, ketosis and autophagy begins. Dr. Berg's insight. By the second day, your body enters ketosis, burning stored fat for energy. Autophagy, the cell's self-cleaning process, begins, recycling old and damaged cells. Wisdom of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq. Peace be upon him, he praised the benefits of pure olive oil for health and vitality. A spoon of extra virgin olive oil can nourish the body, protect the liver, and enhance natural cleansing. Science agrees. Olive oil's polyphenol reduce inflammation and improve cellular repair, exactly what your body is doing in early autophagy. Day 3, deep ketosis, brain power, immune reset. Dr. Berg's insight. Day 3 brings sharper focus, better mood, and an immune system reset. Your body is clearing out old white blood cells and preparing to build new ones. Wisdom of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq. Peace be upon him, he advised figs with natural honey for brain and heart strength. These nourish the mind while supporting immune function. Science agrees. Figs provide antioxidants and natural fibers. Honey has antibacterial enzymes. Both boost brain health and immunity during fasting. Day 4, maximum fat burning, inflammation drops. Dr. Berg's insight. By day 4, hunger disappears. Autophagy reaches its peak, inflammation drops, and your body clears out toxins at a deep cellular level. Wisdom of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq. Peace be upon him. He said pomegranate cleanses the blood and strengthens the heart. After fasting, a small serving can help detoxify and renew your circulatory system. Science agrees. Pomegranate is rich in phenolphthaleins and anthocyanins, compounds proven to fight inflammation and protect the heart. Day 5, refeeding and rebuilding. Dr. Berg's insight. Refeeding is critical. The body is primed to absorb nutrients and rebuild, but the digestive system must be awakened slowly. Wisdom of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq. Peace be upon him, he recommended light, nourishing foods such as lentils and barley porridge for gradual recovery. Science agrees. Barley's beta-glucans and lentils plant protein repair tissues, strengthen the gut lining, and restore energy without overwhelming digestion. If you found this blend of Dr. Berg's scientific points and the natural wisdom of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq, peace be upon him, valuable, hit the like button, share this with friends, and subscribe for more health videos that unite ancient knowledge with modern science. This video is for educational purposes only. Always consult a healthcare professional before making changes to your fasting or diet plan.